Hey, Tim's Workshop here. Hey, the Chevy Silverado 2001 3500 duramax turbo diesel 6.6 liter LB7 injectors. I took all that to after I had issue on our trip, and the thing kept dying on me. Found out that was just the fuel filter was defective. But it has been smoking, and decided to go ahead and have a professional shop, and these guys are very good, you know. Go through it, and not only for the injectors, which I know are bad, but check out the rest of it and let me know where we stand on this truck, you know. So first off, the fuel injectors, all of them are, you know, well, most of them are bad anyway. If one goes bad, you might as well change all of them, you know. So they suggest remove and replace both sides, all 8 single alternator is what they wrote. Single alternator, huh? I wonder if that means that some trucks have 2 alternators. I don't know. I don't understand. But yeah, the injectors, all of them need to be replaced. Estimated cost, get this, $6,485. I'll have to get a loan to get that done. I only bought the truck for $12,500, so another, you know, another 10 grand on the thing, and I'm still looking good, you know. That truck is awesome. But I can change the injectors myself. And I looked online for the injector kit, which includes new injectors, new high pressure fuel lines, which are, there's 8 of them, you know. The gaskets, the O-rings, the brackets for the other metal fuel line in there. I forget what they call it, but everything needs to be replaced. And it also has a with the kit. It also has the fuel tubes, the injector tubes. And you replace them if they, like, say like one of them comes out when you pull the injector, you're going to have to put a new one in anyway, or clean up the old one and put it back in. So there's a process for that too. So it comes with them already. So if I'm not going to put the old one in once I clean everything, and I'll put one of the new ones back in. I'm not going to pull all the rest, though, if they don't come out. I am going to clean the injector ports really good and make sure that they're in good shape. And that's why I'm getting the new fuel injector tubes, all 8 of them, because those are they can rust, and nobody's been really successful at cleaning them very good. So you're better off just buying a new set and putting them in. So that's going to have to be done. Still going to cost a bunch of money. The set of for the parts alone, it's almost $3,000 just for the parts. The other $3,000 on this, $3,500 is labor, basically. The steering knuckle, remove and replace. Well, steering knuckles, unless they're damaged by, you know, a rock or getting in a wreck or something, the steering knuckle really they don't go out, right? What's wrong on it is the tie rod hole is oblong, so that's interesting. So if the tie rod hole on the knuckle's bad, yeah, then I'm going to have to replace the knuckle. And that knuckle's about $400 $500 for a new one. So that's another reason I should be doing the injectors, because I got other work on this besides just having somebody replace the injectors for me. The oil pan gasket, okay, needs to be replaced. Anybody could do that. Power brake booster. I've already changed that power brake booster, and according to the shop, they have a lot of people coming in with those boosters, even the ones that have been replaced, and having leaks. Okay, so if it's not that bad, I'm not going to worry about it. They say it's leaking inside the cab, so I'm going to take the carpet down and take a look at it. If it's just a small leak, I'm not going to worry about it. But if it's if it's affecting the fluid for, the power brake booster is actually also controls your power steering, and that's where you put the fluid in for the brake booster, and the power steering is in the power steering unit, the pump that's on the motor. So if I'm going to check that now and then, and if it's starting to lose a lot of fluid, then I'm going to have to pull that brake booster off, and I'm not going to get another one. I'm going to take the thing apart and replace the gaskets the right way on the thing. Okay, so there's opportunity for more videos coming up. Yeah, and it says the transmission is leaking a little bit, so that could be, just a gasket on it too. The rear differential, the fluid is looking dark. Okay, we'll drain it and put new fluid in it. Power steering fluid brown. I just changed it a year ago. Well, I didn't. I just added to it. I guess I didn't drain it, so yeah, I guess I better do that. The steering knuckle tie rod, they say once I fix that issue with the oblong hole with the tie rod, to make sure that the alignment's done after that. Because I already had the front tires replaced because there was wear on the outside of the tires, and Les Schwab told me I needed to change the shocks, which I did, the front shocks. But now these guys are telling me that I have another problem on it. So I'm going to take this thing back up to Les Schwab and say, hey, I'm going to have you guys do an alignment on this, but first let me know what would prevent having the alignment be successful on this. Okay, and then they'll tell me if I got an issue with the knuckle. Okay? You always got to get second opinions on this. The place down in Longview that I took the truck into when we were on our trip, everything they told me was a bunch of crap, according to these guys. Okay, so except for the injectors, I know about the injectors. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to start going through that and make some videos and get a loan just for parts. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and give me a like. See you next time.